omukoro gwo kujweka bakugutsire gukorirwa kitebe kikuru cha farm ya government ya Ruhengeri abatendekirwe barugira mu districts ziri kurenga 20 okurugombyanga bitaro bimwe na bimwe mu ihanga ryona. Dr. Helene Nachimbugwe ojekiri director wa Nagri ka hamukoro gwo kujweka batendekirwe abehananjirize okoreso bukugo bahirwe okutungura omutindo gwo kuriso mu ihanga.
Network is very important. You have a WhatsApp group. It might go dormant maybe for 2 years, but try to revise it. Yeah? Keep following. We've been having AI technicians here training, but I see them on the forum. Yeah? They link up with their fellows out there in the field, and they're doing a very good job. Please, 2 points: networking and then the ethics.
Dr. Hamidu Rutaro orukorestongore cha Yula Soma Africa ayahananjiriza barisa okwejumbiro mu nkoresa yo kuhatisa amatungo gabo
batemo bwesigwa batakansera abatunji kandi bagumizemu nibija nibejumbira kugezaho kushoma ibindi n'ibya embryo transfer technology.
Itwe nkaruhengere government farm twatanzira farm zizini nsima eje embera omutindo oguruho gwo kutraininga veterinarians abasaba kubahereza obukugu gwo kwemesente n'ebyoma. That is artificial insemination. Nichiyamba community okuimprovinga okongera okuboneza ente zabo na n'enyamishwa ezindi omu mutindo gwo kuhereza amate mingi na resilient.
Abakugombya amatungo basimire government ahubwo kutamani omunkora yo kuhatisa amatungo kandi bina masiko ngo nikija kwera cyango omubwiro obo obwamatako mu ihanga gacendire
na proti ya igana ninga tanarigana yitaka no basa kurisa hente zaho konga kuza kurisa za proti ya wejo otekwa kuza omurembe ninga shi technology izere na mnongeje ya hatch center artificial insemination yo posta mahuri iba kwita embryo transfer na nebindi kebi
okutende koko no kubaho buri mwaka kandi kigenderwa cyo kutaho kutende koko no kwenda kutungura umutindo gw'amatungo mu ihanga. Amakuru agagashakwa Abdukarim Sengendo.